Hi, welcome back to BUONAPAPPA. Today we're going to prepare together a baby recipe that is also good for older kids. So raise your hand if your hair gets gray when you hear the first sneeze of the season. Unfortunately, cold and flu season it's coming, so it's normal that either runny nose, cold, a mild cough happens. Still, this is the time of the year where it's very important to do everything that we can in order to boost the immune system so that if a cold or even the flu comes, our body and our little one's body is strong enough in order to react in a prompt and fast way. Today I want to share with you a baby recipe that I call the vitamin C fruity baby puree that has tons of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and loaded with vitamin C. So, one of the beautiful sources of vitamin C, of course, is citruses, agrumes, tangerines, oranges, lemons. Still, they're a bit too acidic to be given in full form to little ones. That's why I added other ingredients in today's baby puree so that it's baby friendly, it's very delicate, but at the same time has all the good nutrients to help boosting the immune system. First thing to do, we're going to core the apples and we're not going to peel them because we want to keep the pectin that is inside the peel. That will make everything more creamier. And we're going to chop them in big pieces. We're going to add the apples in a pot all together with the orange zest and juice. If you do not have oranges, even tangerines are perfect. They are even sweeter than oranges. That's why today I'm using tangerines. Add also a quarter cup of water. Turn the heat off to medium, bring to boil. Then when you will see the first bubbles appear, reduce the heat to simmer and cook for a good 15 minutes. At this point, turn the heat off and add the chia seeds, the banana, the mango that I peeled and chopped in small pieces, and the turmeric. Using an immersion blender, blend everything into a smooth puree. You can serve the puree warm or at room temperature or even cold if you like. In this baby puree, the important ingredients to boost the immune system are turmeric and tangerines. Turmeric is a lovely, amazing spice. It's a root, basically like ginger. If you can find it fresh, it's even better. And you peel and you grate it exactly like ginger. And turmeric has a lot of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Also, of course, tangerines, they're perfect because they're loaded with vitamin C, so anti-inflammatory and antioxidants too. You can store this lovely baby puree either in the refrigerator for up to 3-4 days in an airtight container, or you can freeze it. And if you want to freeze it, you can also transform this baby puree in small baby popsicles so that your little one can also enjoy the refreshing sensation of the popsicle all together with the good ingredients and nutrients in the recipe. Some questions about this lovely recipe. First one, can I serve chia seeds to my little one? So at which age can I offer chia seeds to my baby? So chia seeds, they can be offered even starting from 6 months of age. Chia seeds are classified as a superfood for a few reasons, good ones. First of all, chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that are essential for your brain and even sight proper development. Not only chia seeds, they are loaded with proteins and also they have an amazing amount of fiber. That means that they help regulate the bowel movement of your little one. That being said, exactly for this same reason, you need to be careful with the dose, with the quantities that you're offering to your little ones. So too much chia seeds, they may cause tummy ache because, they create too much movement down there. Which other foods are loaded with vitamin C? So citruses, as mentioned, they are very rich in vitamin C, so lemons, oranges, tangerines, and the whole families. But also, surprisingly, bell peppers. Bell peppers are an amazing source of vitamin C. On top of that, also strawberries, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. All these vegetables and fruits, they have a very, very high content in vitamin C. What if my baby doesn't like purees, the purees texture? Okay, no problem. If you're following the baby-led weaning method, you can transform this puree either in a smoothie, so an easy straw will have your little one enjoy the puree as a smoothie, or you can transform it, as mentioned, in a popsicle, so it will be nice and refreshing. I really, really hope you're going to enjoy this recipe, and I really hope that your little one will boost his or her immune system. If you're looking for other similar recipes, please check the box here below. There are links here. If you're looking for the full description with the quantities and the procedure, check the link here below to my blog, where there is also the printable recipe. And most important thing, remember to subscribe to BUONAPAPPA. Every single week you will receive a new recipe from me. Ciao, ciao, ciao.